Well, I never have stopped. The live stream shut off. I don't even know how long ago. The phone overheated. It is just now starting to rain again. And it is substantially cooler than it was earlier whenever I was live before it shut me off. Okay, next square right here. Turn it up just a little bit. This will give you a chance to hear the rain out here inside of the greenhouse, if you've never heard that before. Man, it's a lot quieter once that rain stops, huh? Wow, that was loud. Here it comes again. You call this a storm? Looks like I ain't got no legs anyway when I'm sitting right here. Quite a bit of water that runs down off the top of this greenhouse down these sides here. Oh, a salamander! 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 Look at him. Ain't that cool? And those cool orange ones with the bright orange spots. That ain't gonna hurt you good. Look at that. I think it's a good clear shot of him. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You see those orange spots on camera? Look at that. Awesome. Looking back down here on one of these squares that I've already finished up here. That's cool. This top square up here is already full of water. And I think I've done about all I'm going to do for today. may try to let this rain die down a little bit more before I decide to try to make the trek back into the house, as I do have my seed bag down here with me and I don't want any of those seeds getting wet. Let's go in here and get something to drink. God almighty. Oh, whew. I've done those 3 there in full. Like I said, part 1 of today's live video was cut off due to the phone overheating. I've still got this side over here to do. I've still got quite a bit of stuff, planted from back in the winter. And I have began planting over here on this side. However, I do still have quite a bit more left to plant. I thought that may be one of the things that I get to today, but that is not going to be the case. Check this out right here where I just noticed this water filling up these upper squares. Look at that baby peaches and cream corn. You can see some of these other squares that are filling up. Again, like I said, all of this water is captured and just flows off to the sides, and the water, and the ground all slopes down that way towards the camera. So all the water makes its way over here. Man, I must have done a little bit more than I thought because I'm pretty tired. Plus, after seeing how much water is coming in right now, it's likely a good thing that I didn't go ahead and plant a lot more seed, which I was very well thinking of doing. So for now, I appreciate everyone that has tuned in. Thanks to everyone that has commented. I appreciate your time. And I'll try to hop back on here live once again when I get out here and I'm ready to make some more progress inside of the greenhouse garden. We'll see you in the next one.